My name is Sarah Mahon. I work for Phorest Salon software and we're based in Dublin city centre. So what we do, we are a software company for the beauty industry, hair salons and beauty salons, and we do the basics. So we do like appointments and reminders, but what sets us kind of above the rest of our competitors would be our marketing features. First and foremost, as a business, we wanted to reduce our carbon footprint. We feel really strongly about climate emergency. And one of the ways we could do that was by introducing solar panels. So that was the main driver for contacting AEI, but also the cost of our bills. So our electricity bills would be quite high because we're across over 5 floors here. So when we realised we wanted to get solar panels installed, we had a look online and did some research, and what we found was really good. We came across AEI. They had 14 years experience installing solar panels, so we got in contact, and then AEI came in and they did up some proposals for us. Brian from AEI came in, he assessed the roof, made sure everything was in check, and he had a look through the high cost bills, and then he put a proposal together. We had a look at it and it met all our needs. Phorest are delighted and really happy that we went with AEI. They were very professional. The installation, it went according to plan. It didn't disrupt any of our daily operations here in the office. The bills have been fantastic, and the aftercare, if there were ever any issues, I was able to contact Brian and he would be back in an instant. And yeah, we're just super happy, and I definitely recommend it to any local business or any business in Ireland.